scattered on the bathroom sink. Well, I can't believe this. I've gone beyond all reason. Somebody hurry, where is a witness? My mind like a jury trying to convict, pick me apart. Pick me apart, yeah. My new fixation, a problem that cannot be solved. Well, I found my stasis, cornered in a paradox. Sick of the need and tired of the sickness. My mind like a jury trying to convict, pick me apart. Pick me apart. How you pick me apart? And pull it together, search for your heart, and build all the walls to know where to start. If we build it together, search for your heart, build all the walls to know where to start.
Studio session featuring the immensely talented Plant. It's been quite some time since we've seen y'all. What has Plant been up to?
Well, hello, Thomas. How are you?
I'm alive. How are you?
I'm doing good. We're all doing good.
So good to be back.
It's so great to be here.
It's great to have you.
Let's see, we did this like 2 years ago now, about.
Roughly.
And yeah, a lot has happened. I think we played the songs that we played the last time we were here. We ended up recording right across the way in the studio and released them as an EP. So we now, as a band, have had music on all like Spotify and Apple for about a year now. So that's that's an accomplishment as a band. And other than that, life's been crazy. We're all college students here at Western.
Still.
Still. We're all seniors now. We were sophomores at the time. So yeah, it's been crazy. We've been playing a lot of shows, getting to know each other better. We all moved into a house together.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been a lot of fun. It's been a great time.
It's great to hear. That's great to hear. Musically, how would you say Plant has grown in the time since?
Yeah. I think living together has had a massive effect on the osmosis that was kind of already happening, with our styles. Just jamming together, we've kind of picked up our idiosyncrasies, and that's just continued to blossom into this cool sound that we like to make. I think the growth that we've all been practicing a lot, individually together. I think we're all a lot more confident on our instruments. We like the songs that we're writing now a lot more, which is always a nice thing.
Well, that's wonderful. I think y'all have a couple more for us.
Yes, we do. Mama, I'm tired. My mind is no match for this silence. I'm haunted by all of my vices, but I'll be alright, yeah. Mama, I'll hurry. Well, I never would want you to worry. Well, I know I've been lost for a while, but I promise I'm fine, yeah. But I remember how it was to feel free. Sorry that you had to grieve who I used to be. Well, booklets of photographs captured a light in my eyes. You know they're still mine, but Mama, trying to hide all the things I've been fighting. It's a waste to go asking me why, and it's breaking me down. And Mama, I'm sorry if I can't answer the phone when you call me. My reflection, it spreads on the wall and there's nowhere to hide. But I remember how it was to feel free. I'm sorry that you had to grieve who I used to be. Well, I'll make it home, though it takes me a whole night to drive. You know that I tried, but Mama, you know I'm trying. You know that I am. Can we keep it up longer? I saw that you made up your mind. I'm naive, thinking I lost her when she showed me time after time. Don't get close to me. I only let you down. Don't get close to me. Turn your heart around. But I'm too stuck up. I'm so far gone. Kind eyes, a comfortable silence. Don't you notice how you talk to me? I've gone blind, scratching my eyelids, just trying to touch what I see. No, but don't get close to me. I only let you down. Don't get close to me without I swear that I'll only let you down. And I'm so far gone. I live for the way that she strings me along. I'm too stuck up, but she's so far gone. Now I feel ashamed. Now I'm strung out and wrong for holding on. And you know I'm holding on, yeah. Don't get close to me. Only let you down. Don't get close to me. Turn your heart around.
Very nice. That was wonderful, gentlemen. I assume that these songs will be on the upcoming album that may be happening. Why don't you tell us a little bit about the recording of that?
Yes, sir. We've got a 6-song album coming out very soon. We also recorded it right across the way in the Cat Studio.
We gotta thank
Yes,
Nick
we have
Denman
to.
for that.
We have a buddy. His name is Nick Denman. He's a recent graduate, and I don't use this word lightly, but the guy's a genius.
He
You know,
truly
as
is.
a musician and as a producer. We've been just so lucky to be able to work with him and be like best buds with him too. We recorded our EP with him, and it was such a good time. And then we went in to the studio in June for like a week straight, just chugged out 6 songs, had a blast, and I think you can really hear how much fun we had in the recordings. They're very lively.
When will that be out?
We are not sure.
We are in
It's the best time for an album to come out.
Yes,
At
that's what I
some
always
point
say.
between now and the
Sometime-
next 10 years.
Sometime in the next 10 years.
Some
Okay,
point.
yeah, no, I'll mark my calendar.
Yeah.
What experiences went into the writing and recording of this album?
You know, I think for this one, it's funny. The last time we were here, it was my second ever time playing in this band. So, you know, for me, it's been a really beautiful thing. You know, I kind of came into the last batch of songs and had a very fun time, you know, learning them. And I feel like this latest project we're about to release is it has all of us in it very much so. We're all, I think it's, you know, we have our essence, you know, and as Joe mentioned previously, we've all been getting to know each other musically and otherwise better since then. So, yeah.
Yeah, most of these songs I think started out as Leif and Gus just jamming together, and then we would bring it to the group, jam it all together, kind of come up with. Graham would come up with like a good beat for it. We always trust Graham to bring the right drums to any track that we start, and then I would add some horn lines. We actually are also very blessed to be joined by Daniel Hallman on keys, who also played on the album. So it's got a little bit of Daniel too.
What does the road ahead look like for Plant?
All right. Yeah, so a lot of things. There's many things in the workings. First and foremost, just keep doing our thing, you know? Keep playing music together. Keep trying to create. We all really like the music, and we like playing music, and we want to make it a career, but, you know, more like a lifestyle. It definitely comes with that when you get into it. So just keep the thing moving. We're going to be here for another year at the very least. There might be a small hiatus. If we, Joe and I are trying to go to Poland right now for a jazz institute that's out there. So there might be 3 months where Plant's half of Plant. But anyway, after that, yeah, we're going to try to stick around, play music. We've obviously got, you know, Nick close by. Keep working with him. Keep working with musicians that we've met in the program. There's a lot of really great cats who kind of have the same idea of, like, you know, they don't just want to come to this university, get their degree, and move on and go do something else. Like, they're really dedicated to the craft of music and playing in a live setting or in a studio setting. So just, you know, keeping those connections very tight and friendly and being able to work with people outside of just us. Like, obviously, we will continue to work together, but we like to branch out, obviously, you know. Our good friend Daniel here, lovely pianist. We are so blessed to be here with him, for real. Be like, long term, just sticking together. It's kind of the plan. Kind of the plan is sticking together, just seeing what we can do. Yeah.
Very nice. Well, I can't wait to see what comes next. If y'all got one more for us?
We've got one more.
Nice.
I'm out of depth, out of place. I just wait around. For some perspective, I think is gonna pull me out. in the wind, yeah. Empty investments, they tend to weigh you down. But I'm no exception. I'm learning that lesson now. But don't think about it too much. It's killing my high. Well, don't walk into the room and ruin the mood. Don't think about the ways in which I have to save myself from the same things over again. Like changing the wind. We all live for redemption. I'll live for redemption. Yeah, yeah. But don't think about it too much. Like changing the wind. And I'm changing again.
Well, that was just a lovely way to finish us off tonight. Plan, I want to thank y'all for taking the time to uproot yourselves and come play for us. From all of us here at WheeTV, take care of yourselves and have a lovely evening.